Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is philosophy and the most popular philosophies. These are the idealism and realism. Idealism belongs to the Pluto. Pluto says that if we want to uh, get get the knowledge of nature, that will be possible when we uh, consider all the things. He says ideas and concept these are considered more real than material objects. According to him, teacher should emphasize on the student to consider more and more about the things, about the natures, and student should make their concept and consider upon their concept. In this way they can get the more reality about the nature. So in this respect, if we will say that the most important thing before Piloto, that concept ideas will be beneficial when you are considering upon these ideas again and again, again and again, and then at one time your ideas concept will be converted into into the fact. Today we are looking all the best things in our society, in our surrounding position. These are by the considering over the ideas. For suppose Edison, who has idea concept that I can make any kind of bulb, and for this he has only concept, but again and again and again he was thinking upon that one and work on that one, and at least one day, after many failures, he became success. Why he became success? Because his concept was clear, and he was though he was fail again and again, but his concept, his idea was clear, and at least he made the bulb and make that very great invention for the human. Aslam.